Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can unhold money on PayPal or how you can release payments on hold. So first is you just have to log into your account and click on Know Your Options under your PayPal balance. So to see if you can help to release your payments on hold, you may be able to release eligible payments by following one of the below steps. So first is to add tracking. So use one of the approved shipping carriers and um, they will see if they will release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. Second is to update the order status. So if the held payment is for a service or intangible item, like for example, piano lessons, ebook, and stuff like that, then they will release the hold for 7 days after you confirm the order status as completed. Now, in rare cases, after these steps are completed, they may need you to hold the payment. They may need to hold the payment for up to 21 days. So, for example, this can happen if they noticed an unusual change in their in your selling patterns. Now, to add tracking information or update an order status, you may go to the activity, then find the purchase that you want to update and click on Get Your Money. Now, if you sold a product, you can choose Product to add tracking information or print a shipping label. So if you sold an intangible item or service, you can choose Service or Virtual Product to update the order status. Now you can also update the order status to completed, pending, or canceled. Then click on Submit. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!